Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to learn how to unleash the full power of your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer by turning on high performance mode. So let's dive in. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run window, or you can right click on the Start icon and select Run. Type power sfg.cpl and hit OK. A window will pop up. If you see the high performance or ultra high performance plan, great, you're all set. If not, let's continue. Click on Change Plan Settings, and then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Here, find Processor Power Management. Set the minimum processor state to 0% for both on battery and plug-in. Set the minimum processor state to 100% for both on battery and plugged in. Once you've made these changes, restart your computer and you'll experience a boost in performance. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!